How to turn off or on payments notifications on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on payments notifications. First, open your browser, and then once you're here, click on your profile and then click profile and preferences. And if you can't find it here, all you need to do, just click the settings icon, and that's it. Then click notifications, and now scroll down and make sure email notifications is turned on. And then here we'll find payments. You can turn it off or on, and you can manage anything you want here. And also you can manage it from desktop notifications. And here is it, marketplace, payments. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.